How do you ensure the children's age remains valid for the permanent residencies application? Hi, my name is Ka from Sinca Immigration. We have helped lots of amazing businesses and individuals to immigrate to Canada. And today our topic is how can we make sure that our children's age is still valid when we submit the application? Now, in immigration, timing plays a really important role. This implies not only to the primary applicant, but also to their dependents. Today, we want to highlight the critical factors to bear in mind when adding dependent children to your permanent residency application and how timing can greatly affect the eligibility. So the first point, is it possible for my child to be considered a dependent in my application for Canadian permanent residency? So first of all, let's establish whether your child can be categorized and added as a dependent in your PR application. There are three primary factors to consider. Age. If your child is under 22 years old and not married or in a common law relationship, they are considered a dependent. Exception for dependents over 22. So children who are 22 or older can still qualify if they have relied on their parents financially since before turning 22 and are unable to support themselves due to physical or mental condition. Now, marriage status. Your child must be unmarried and not in a common law relationship during the processing of the application. If they are single, divorced, or widowed, they are eligible as long as they maintain the status until becoming a permanent resident. Now, a common question from our clients is about the situation with adopted children. Now, both biological and adopted children can be considered dependent. However, evidence of the parent-child relationship must be provided through documents such as birth certificates, baptismal certificates, documents proving assisted human reproduction technologies, adoption orders, and many other documents. Now, it's important to note that accompanying dependent children of spouses, common law partners, and conjugal partners can also be included in the application. Now, in cases involving custody disputes with any of your dependents, it's crucial to understand that IRCC, the Immigration Department, will require proof of permission for the child to be relocated from their current jurisdiction. If you are considering immigrating to Canada and need guidance and support, you have come to the right place. We are licensed and have successfully assisted applicants from over 50 nationalities in applying for Canadian immigration through studies, working, sponsorship, and business. Second point, what occurs if your child is nearing the 22nd birthday or reaches the age of 22 during the processing of the PR application? Now, this is when the Immigration Department refers to what is known as the lock-in date. When you apply for immigration, the age of the dependent children, whether they are accompanying you or staying behind, is fixed or locked in on the date your application is fully received. This means that for business class and most applications at the federal level, your child's age is determined based on the day your complete application package, including all required documents and fees, is received, as long as they meet the age and the marriage status requirement. Now, for provincial programs, the ages of children are determined based on when the province receives the principal applicant's complete nomination application. If you are considering immigrating to Canada and need support, feel free to contact Sincar Immigration, and we're here to help you. Next point, the Canada Star Visa option. Now, here's an extra piece of advice for those interested in business immigration. The STAR visa program offers one of the most reliable ways to secure the age of your dependent children, particularly as they approach the age threshold. This is because the process typically involves a quicker application and processing timeline, ensuring that your children's ages are fixed at the time of application submission. Now, in summary, whether you're considering family or business immigration routes, timing is very important for your children. So get prepared and start early, especially if your children is nearing the age limit. Use these insights to seamlessly include them in your journey to a new life in Canada. We trust that this information will help you in bringing your loved ones alongside you. Again, if you're interested in sponsoring your children or any of your dependent child, talk to Sinca Immigration. We're here to help, and we look forward to you viewing more our videos regarding immigration.